Hey everybody, Ben Nelson here with another update for you on the Portland, Oregon metro area real estate market. First and foremost, lots going on right now. We had to add to the 2020 craziness, and as I'm sure everybody knows if you're in the area or you've heard even if you're not, fires everywhere. Fortunately, they've started to die down. The winds died down, and so they haven't been spreading as much. They're still working on a lot of them though. So I wanted to give a shout out to all of those that are out there fighting those fires and putting their lives on the line and working super hard to make sure that we're safe. We really appreciate everything that you're doing. Can't say enough about how amazing you guys are and what you're doing for us. So we appreciate you keeping our homes and everything safe. For those that lost homes, we're putting our prayers and thoughts out to you as well. And I'm sure there will be opportunities for us to help those that are going to need that with rebuilding and everything. So I just want to put that out there first. Now let's take a look at the Portland metro area real estate market. What are the numbers doing? What's going on in the market right now? Inventory didn't move a whole lot, slightly up compared to last month, 1.3 months of inventory. That's a full month less of inventory than what we had this time last year. So again, still struggling for inventory. Listings are up slightly compared to last year, but they're down over 8% compared to July numbers of this year. So we're already low inventory, and then we have quite a bit less coming on the market, which is unfortunate. That's not going to help our situation. That's just going to make it more difficult. Pending sales are up quite a bit, 26% compared to 2019, but up only about 1% from July of this year. So pending sales not up very much. Again, listings are down. Closed sales are up from August of last year, about 8%, but they are down about 7% from July. So we've got listings down, we've got about even pending sales, and we've got closed sales down as well. So there's a lot going on right now, so it's hard to say what all is causing the closed sales being down and listings coming down. But I think a big piece of it, obviously there's some economical pieces here too, but I think a big part, there's just such low inventory. What is on the market it's either getting gobbled up, or if it's good, or it's lingering on the market if it's not in good condition or well priced. So I think that's a big piece of why we're seeing closed sales coming down and pending sales really not increasing. We had a big increase in pending sales a couple months prior, but now we're just not having the inventory there for the buyers that are out there looking. So unless as I said, listings on the market this last month. So that's not helping the situation. Again, I mentioned last month, one of the things that can stifle the market is that we just don't have the product on the market. And I think that we are seeing that for sure. We're seeing just not enough inventory on the market, not enough product to be able to sustain the demand. And so that's going to pull back the pending and closed sales numbers, because there's just not enough inventory to keep that activity moving forward. So year to date, we do have about that 5% mark, just under that, for increase in prices. Again, that's year to date through August compared to last year through August. So we are seeing prices still continuing to trend up. Again, we've got this kind of interesting dynamic of very, very low inventory, still a lot of demand, extremely low interest rates, but just not a lot of inventory on the market. So I think we're going to continue to see prices increase. We're going to continue to see bidding wars for well-priced and well-located product. And interest rates are supposed to stay low for quite some time, so I don't see that ending anytime soon. Again, if people are not putting their homes on the market, that's where we're going to see the problem. Is there could be a ton of buyer demand. There could be a lot of incentive for buyers to be out there looking and buying with interest rates and just the desire to do so. But if the product isn't there, if there's no inventory, then that's obviously difficult to do. Looking forward, we'll see what next month shows, but it'll be interesting to see if we continue to see a pullback in listings. That's going to lead the numbers, I feel, in what happens from here forward. And we'll continue to see how things trickle forward and how things play out with the moratorium on foreclosures, and as some of these regulatory things start going away, how that'll play out with foreclosure numbers and inventory levels and all of that stuff. As always, I will post the full market action report on my Facebook page, so be sure to check that out if you want to see all the charts and data. If I can help with anything, love to chat, love to just connect. Let me know what I can do to help. Let me know any questions I can answer for you. Let me know how I can help you get from where you are to where you want to be. Make it a great rest of the day.